As of now, I will use the metric template accompanied with the UK library. So let's get started. So first of all, let's go to model, click on new, and from here you have to choose the template. So as we are going to work on the architectural template, just simply click on OK. And in this video we will look into the file tab as well as the quick access panel, which is this one. So this is the file tab. So let's simply click on this, and here you can see the list of the files. Here you can see you can have a new file, you can open file, you have lots of different things. Here on the right side you have a order list, so you can just simply arrange this document as per your requirement. And as of now, as of now I don't have any file to show you, but also if you have a file you can just simply have this thing, and you can just simply pin any file you want to recent document. In recent document you can just simply pin this thing here. Okay, so this is this is very similar to most of the softwares that you might have used before. New open save. Okay, the first thing we are going to do is to save our file, so you can just simply click on save, and you see this one is project 2. I'm happy with the name, I don't want to make any kind of changes here, so I will just simply click on save. If you want to change the name you can change that name as well. So as you can see it will take some time, and if you go here this time you can see that we are getting this pinned option. So if you just simply pin this one, it will always stays at the top, so you don't need to worry about how many projects you are doing. If this project is important to you, it will always stays at the top. And at the bottom we have a option, an exit Revit option. Now let's go to quick access toolbar tab. So here you will have these options. You can see we have already used that option. To go back, you can simply open a project family annotation. You can just simply save, and you can just undo, you can redo, you can print PDF. And then we have this dimension, active controls and dimension, and measure between two references. As you can see that I am just taking my mouse to that tab, and after that video is loading and it will give you an idea that how these things works. Okay, and then we have measure between two references, align dimension, tag by category, text, 3D view, and then we have section, then we have thin lines, and like that we have close interactive. So don't worry about these things, we will cover all of these things as we progress in the course. You will learn about all of these things, because obviously we have to go through these things again and again. And then you have this small arrows to the right, you can just simply click on this one, and you can see again after clicking on that, either if you want to, let's say you don't want this save option, you can just simply untick and it will get deleted from that place. You can just simply tick mark on that one and it will come back. Let's say if you want to show these things below the ribbon, you can just simply tick mark on that one. Now we are at the below the ribbon, so this is the ribbon region, and you are getting this quick access toolbar at below the region. Now if you want to, again you can just simply show the things above the regions, so just simply click on that. So this is about the file tab and the quick access.